Hi guys, it's Marty Davis, Lake Ozark, Missouri. Today we're on the first Aquila 28 Molokai here at Lake Ozark, Missouri. We've got twin Mercury 225s powering this 28-foot catamaran. Obviously a little different style of boat than we're all used to. We just ran it. Extremely sporty and handled some big waves. Probably better than anything I've been on. So we want to get you down here, check everything out. We're going to do a quick product walkthrough with Captain Ben Beecher. So I'm going to step through the rear seats here and then move up to the helm.
All right, hi guys, Captain Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. And as Marty Davis just said, this is a very sporty but a very well-riding boat on Lake of the Ozarks, especially at that 28-foot category. One thing I noticed with these 225 outboards, the boat doesn't have any squat in the back of it. I don't have any of that bow rise. It just lifts. The general catamaran style just kind of lifts up on top of the water and just goes right across it. So I'm looking at a boat that can do over 50 miles an hour with this current power plan. Up here, you see you have the Mercury DTS digital throttle and shifting system. You got your Raymarine electronics up here, Fusion stereo. So really well equipped. Nice space between the helm and the seats. A nice big oversized seats with fold down armrests, so two adults can sit here comfortably. All right, we're gonna move to the front of the boat now. One of the things being a cat hole that this has, it's got really good storage down the floor, so deep storage. So you throw a lot of life jackets, lines, fenders, cold drinks, whatever you want down in the storage in the floor. You also have storage underneath these seats. Nice storage up in the front. You can put an anchor right there in the center. And then Marty, if you want to come around here, I'll show you the head compartment here. This is the seat right in front of the helm here. So just open this up. And you got your head compartment, just walk right on in. And then you also down here, you're gonna have your table stowage away. All right, once again, my name's Captain Ben Beecher, here with Marty Davis at Lake of the Ozarks. Come see us at our marina location in Lake Ozark or our highway location in Osage Beach. Come visit us anytime, check out, take this boat for a ride with one of us. A great riding boat, I think a lot of you'd be surprised. So thanks, have a great day.